Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Right. Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, my dear students. You are all welcome to the questionnaire session in biology class. Today we are going to discuss about this question, session number 4. Okay. So the question is here, the 76th questions. Before that, we discussed 75 questions of the. Okay. The glucagon is noted down, my dear students. Glucagon, which cell is secreted already, you know, there are 3 types of cell present in it. Where? Liver. Okay. Liver, the Langerhans. Okay. Langerhans of pancreas, isn't it, my dear? Okay. The pancreas, it contains 3 cells there. Already, you know, alpha cell, beta cell, and gamma cell is also there. Alpha cell secrete which one, you know? Glucagon. Beta cell secrete which one, you know? Insulin. Okay. Okay, they're asking which one, you know, regarding glucagon. Okay, glucagon. Glucagon is a hypoglycemic hormone. What is the main role of glucagon? Just listen here. When you are consuming food, what happens? No, food also digested in the form of what is that? Simple complex. Complex molecules into what is that? Simple molecule. Isn't it, my dear? Simple molecules. Okay, the simple molecules, what is that? You know, glucose. Okay, it absorbed by the which one, you know, villi. Okay, villi, and also transport through the bloodstream. Isn't it? Bloodstream of the different part of the body. Okay, when the blood glucose level increases, automatically that what is that? Pancreas cells, alpha and beta cells also secrete simultaneously. Particularly when the blood glucose level, that is called as hyper condition. Just imagine hyper condition. Blood glucose increase means that condition is called as higher or hyper. That time what happens? Automatically the beta cells secrete the insulin. Okay, my dear. Insulin secreted by the beta cell of the Langerhans. Then the blood glucose, what happened? You know, it converted into glycogen by the action of insulin. Glycogen. Okay, my dear. Then it's stored in where, you know, in liver. So the insulin is a which one, you know, hyperglycemic hormone. Hyperglycemic hormone. Okay, made it. Here they ask which one, hypoglycemia. What I told here, the insulin is the hyperglycemic. Opposite reaction, which one, hypoglycemic. So the glucagon is a hypoglycemic hormone. When the insulin converted all the blood glucose molecules into glycogen and also stored in liver, it means what happened? Blood glucose level is decreases. That time what happened? How will you get the energy? Means again glycogen, where the liver, okay, liver glycogen converted into glucose by the action of which one, glucagon. Okay, when the blood glucose levels decreases, that condition is called as hypoglycemic effect. So automatically what happened? Alpha cells secrete the glucagon and activate on the glycogen and converted into glucose. So here the glucagon is a hypoglycemic hormone. Okay, is it correct? Hyperglycemic hormone, steroidal hormone, hypocalcemic hormone. Which one is the correct hormone? Correct here. Glucagon. We need glucose, isn't it? So it is considered as a hyperglycemic effect. Hyperglycemic effect. So the answer is B is the correct answer, mate. Okay. See the option. Hyperglycemic hormone. Glucagon is a hyperglycemic hormone which control blood sugar level. Okay. And glucagon is a hyperglycemic hormone peptide. It is also one of the peptide hormone. Peptide means what is that? It is a made up of protein molecule. It is also made up of which one? Protein molecule. See this one. Glucagon is also a made up of protein molecules. That's why it is called as peptide. Okay, media. Insulin is a hypoglycemic effect. What is the meaning of hypoglycemia? When the blood glucose levels increases, blood glucose level increases. What happened? It reduces the blood glucose level in the blood by the action of which one? Insulin. That's why this hormone is called as what is a hypoglycemic. Reduce, increase the blood glucose level. Okay, and also action of by the action of the insulin, it will be reduced. That means what happened? Glucose converted into glycogen and store here. As a result, what happened? The blood glucose level decreases. That condition is called hypoglycemic. Action by insulin. Okay. Hyperglycemic. What is the meaning of hyperglycemic? Again, need energy. Isn't it, my dear? Need energy. When you are taking, what is it? 8 o'clock or 8:30, you are taking your breakfast. Just imagine. Okay. Within half an hour or 1 hour, what happens? Completely digestion takes place and also converted into glucose. The glucose, what happened automatically? It entered into the bloodstream. Okay, bloodstream. Then the blood glucose level is increased. So that time automatically what happened? Hypoglycemic. Reduce the blood glucose level. Suppose if it is present in as it is, what happened? It will lead to some disease. Okay, so it is reduced, converted into glycogen and stored in the liver. This is the process. Okay, my dear. Suppose if it is not happening, it is excreted urine. That is called as diabetes. Okay, so the reversible reaction, gluconeogenesis, glycogen genolysis. That is, glucagon is a hyperglycemic effect. The effect is called as glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis. Glycogen lysis hormone, which one? Hyperglycemic glucagon. They may ask different aspects. Different aspects. See this one. And next one is, which of the following option is correct in reference of the pectoral girdle? Where is the pectoral girdle? I already know it's near the shoulder. Okay, connected with the, see that. Each coaxial bone is there. Here the option is the right answer, isn't it, my dear? Right option. Correct means right. Okay. Option is there. Each coaxial bone of this girdle is formed by the fusion of 3 bones. Coaxial bone, no. Sternum is the flat bone. Sternum is a flat bone on the ventral middle line of the thorax. Okay, that is a part of pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle is not there. Okay, it is not a pectoral girdle. Okay, thorax part. Okay, but it is not a pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle is not the shoulder bone connected with the this one. Okay, so this one. Sternum is the center part. It is connected to the, what is that, bone. Okay. Inside there is a lungs is there. The lungs is protected by lungs, heart, and also other parts also. Protected by the, which one, ribs. Okay, ribs. Okay. The ribs are connected with the triangle shaped sternum. 12 ribs are present in it. 10 is, what is that? Connected with the sternum. Last 2, it will not connected. The 11th and 12th bone and ribs, it will not connected with the sternum. It is connected with the 10th ribs. 10th one. So, for example, this is considered a sternum. It is connected like this. Okay. Each bone is connected like this. And also both the side. Okay. Both the side. The last 2, it will not connect like that. It last 2 connected with this bone only. Okay, my dear. So this one. 11th and 12th. This is called as free floating ribs. Free floating ribs. So no need to that one. Just see here, the clinoid cavity and scapula, which head of the humor is fit. This is the correct answer, my dear. Because the pectoral grid is composed of these are the points. Clinoid cavity. This is called as, what is that? Clinoid cavity. Okay. Here what happened? The bone is attached. Okay. So, and also scapula, which head of the humor is fit. The head of the humor means this is the bone, humor bone. Head, this is the part of head. It is also exactly fit in the clinoid cavity. Tamil we may call it as Pandikina Mutu. Okay, my dear. The head is the thigh bone, articulate thigh bone, it will not come here. It's a shoulder related humor and here. So this is the structure, my dear. Clinoid cavity, where is that clinoid cavity? Just imagine. Okay. This part is clinoid cavity. See this part. Okay. This part, this part is clinoid cavity. Okay. And then scapula is there. Where is the scapula? See, this is the scapula. This part. And then which head of the humor is fit? Where the humor bone is there? This part is head. Okay. It is exactly like this. This is clinoid cavity. Okay. The bone is there. Bone, how it will be there? So this is called as bone, isn't it, my dear? Okay. This part. Humor. Okay. Humor. Imagine. This is clinoid cavity. Scapula is also, it is also attached with this one, this part. This part. Okay. So this is the correct answer, my dear. This is the correct answer. Go to the next one. Part of the brain which is concerned with the olfaction and regulation of the sexual behavior. Which part is? These the sexual behaviors. Okay. So this part is very, very important. Previous questions very, very important. We may expect in this years 2023. Definitely. NEET. 2023. We may expect. Maybe. Okay, my dear. For the next one. Okay, sexual behavior. Thalamus, hypothalamus, limbic system, reticular formation. Which one is the correct answer? Here in this part, but limbic system is the correct answer. Limbic system. These are all a direct question, my dear. Direct. The regulation of the sexual behaviors. See here. Limbic system, the area of the limbic system most frequently implicated in the mediation of the human sexual behavior is the temporal lobes. Okay, my dear. So the answer is which one? This is the correct answer. Okay, limbic system. Go to the next one. The volume of blood each ventricle pumps. Very, very important, my dear. Ventricles. Okay, pumps. Okay. How during the cardiac cycle, don't forget, my dear students, don't forget the cardiac cycle is very, very important. Very, very important. How much amount of blood? 5,000 ml? No. 1,200 ml? No. Very least ml? 40 ml? No. So the answer already know, but which one is that? 70 ml of the blood. Okay. Ventricle pump. Don't forget. This is definitely NEET question. Comes. At the same time, auricle also, auricle. Don't forget this part also very, very important. And also the lap dup. Okay. The second 0.8 second. Okay. That thing's also very, very important. It interrelated. Sino-auricular node. Sino-auricular node. auricular ventricular node, Purkinje fibers, His, pacemaker, tricuspid, bicuspid, aorta, deoxygenated blood, which side deoxygenated blood is entered, oxygenated blood, which side it will be entered, like that. You just note it down. You must know the structure of heart. Okay, that is very, very important, my dear student. Just listen here, my dear. Animal physiology, what are the organs present in it? Liver, kidney, brain, eyes, okay, bones, and endocrine glands, hormones, immunoglobulin. These things mostly important, my dear. Don't forget, my dear students. You have to go through it once again and again. Then only it will be better. Okay, the answer is 70 ml. See this one, 70 ml output. So input, how much is there? Input. The output only they told, isn't it? So you must note it down. Input also. Okay, my dear. Don't forget. Okay. See the next one. Match the columns. Match the column. CNS, central nerve system. PNS, peripheral nerve system. Okay. And somatic neural system. Autonomic neural system. How it will be matched? Just listen here. See the first options. All are correct. Fourth one. Option is fourth. So the answer first one is, which you know, fourth one. This is the clue. Okay. First one is last one. Second one is what is that? PNS. PNS, just imagine. CNS is nothing but the site of information processing and control. CNS is controlled by the, which you know. This is the central nervous system. Okay. It is also connected to the brain. Brain and central nervous system. Okay. PNS means peripheral nervous system, but the brain, it will not come under this heading. So other part, other tissue part. Here the peripheral nervous system and also this one. See here, the cranial and spinal nerves. Spinal nerves coming and cranial nerves also coming. So the option is first one. This is also a very, very important, my dear students. Just to go through it, what are the types of nerve system present in the human body? Just to take an example. Nerve system divided into two types. Okay. CNS and PNS. What is the combination? CNS, central nervous system, means what is that? Spinal cord with brain. Spinal cord with brain. The combination. Here, what is that? Here the cranial and spinal cord. That's why I told you brain, it will not come to the peripheral nervous system. So here option is 1. So where is the option is 1? So the option is here only the option. So these two, it will not come, isn't it? Okay. And the third one is somatic neural system. Somatic neural system. Somatic neural system, what is the meaning? It is also, somatic means body cells. Okay. See the skeletal muscles is also, what is that? Somatic body. Okay. Relay impulse from CNS to skeletal muscle with the help of somatic neural system. The body is there, isn't it? Okay. The body is just imagine. This is the body. Just consider as a body. This is brain. This is central nervous system, isn't it? Here the part is that leg, hand, like that, you know. This is called a somatic, isn't it? It is connected with the, how it will be that? Relay impulse from CNS. Suppose if the impulse transfer from the brain to, okay, other part of the body with the help of skeletal muscles. So the option is C is 2. Where is the C is 2? See, C is 2 is this one. Here is the confusion. Here is the confusion. So automatically you know, but not the third one. So second one, it will not come. Third one is the correct option. The last one already you know about. Which one you know? Autonomic neural system. Which one is the remaining? Is the transmit impulse from the CNS to involuntary organ and smooth muscles. Autonomic. Don't forget, my dear student. Definitely it will come. Definitely. 2023. This question is must. Definitely in this part they will ask the question. So the option is the third one is the correct answer, my dear. Okay, don't forget. Please go through it. Please go through it. See the 4, 1, 2. Next one. Match the gland with the respective hormone. Glands. You know, but there are two types of gland. Is there? One is called as exocrine gland. Another one is called as endocrine gland. Okay. But here they have given as a gland anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, corpus luteum, thyroid gland. Okay, they are asked to match gland with the respective hormone. Okay. Which one is exactly matched? They are asking. Anterior pituitary oxytocin secretion takes place? No, it is a hypothalamus. Last class we used, isn't it? Hypothalamus is also used for uterine contraction, isn't it, my dear? Uterine contraction. So automatically it is wrong. Posterior pituitary, just note it down. Posterior pituitary is vasopressin. Yes, it is also very, very essential for the distal convertibility in the kidney, stimulate the reabsorption of the water in the DCT of the nephron. Distal convertibility, proximal convertibility. Where is it, Dano? You know about the, what is that? The Bowman capsule, isn't it, my dear? Bowman capsules. Okay. So this is consists of Bowman capsule, isn't it? Bowman capsule. Here there is a one small, what is that? Curve is there, followed by descending limb and also hairpin bend, that is called as Henle loop, followed by which one, you know? There is a DCT and also again these things. Okay, the DCT is there. PCT, DCT, digital convertible, proximal convertible. Corpus luteum, FSH, it will not there. Support of pregnancy, follicle stimulation. Thyroid, thyroxine, regulate blood calcium level. Okay, see the exact. Okay, exactly which one is posterior pituitary vasopressin, stimulate the reabsorption of DCT, water molecules, particularly water molecules. Here the, okay, put it on this. See the posterior pituitary vasopressin, stimulate the reabsorption of water in the DCT. That's why I told you kidney is also very, very important, my dear students. Kidney structures. Okay, where is hilum? Okay, where is hilum? Where is cortex? Okay, here the main nephron is there. How it will be filtered? What is this part? This part. Okay, and this one. Okay, these are the things. These are the things you must know. Structure of kidney and urine formation. Okay, urine formation. Just note it down. These are all very, very important, my dear student. The option is which one? Second one is the correct answer. See the next one. Consider the following statement. GEAC make the decision regarding the validity of GM. Researcher and also safety of introducing GM. GM means what is the genetically modified organisms. This is the expansion of that committee. Okay, form the public service. So the third one is, second statement is that the Indian Parliament has recently cleared the third amendment of the Indian Patent Bill. Okay, my dear. So which one is the correct option, my dear students, in this part? Statement 1. Okay. Statement 1 and statement 2, both are correct. Is it correct? Okay. It is not a correct answer. Okay. It is not a correct answer. The Indian Parliament has recently cleared the third amendment. It is not a third amendment. So both the option is the wrong one. Okay. This is the statement type of question, but at the same time, they ask in the question where, you know, statement only. Okay. Statement type of question. Which one is the correct answer? You know, the third one is the correct answer. Both the statements are incorrect. Always they will not ask that both the statements are correct only. Some of them are critical thinking. Okay. So here the amendment, third amendment. Okay. It's not like that. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are incorrect only. Go to the next one. See the diagram. See the diagram. Already saw it this point. Convergent evolution. Okay. In the given figure, which one of the following represent correct examples of convergent evolution? See the mouse, Tasmania, tiger cat. Popcoat, Tasmania, wolf. Lemur, spotted cuscus. Anteater, marsupial, mole. Which one is the correct, exactly matched? See the second one. See the second one. These are also diagram related question, otherwise called as picture related picture. Okay. And this one is the correct option. Which one, you know? A bobcat is also related to which one, you know? A Tasmanian wolf. It is also a convergent evolutions. Others are not. Okay. It is direct question, my dear, and also practice it. Practice it. Just to go through it. That's why in this question paper, there are so many diagrammatical questions also participate. Okay. See this one. Babcock is a Tasmanian wolf. These two is the examples of convergent evolutions. Okay. The next one. Government sponsored family planning program. Note it down, my dear student. Yes, definitely it will come. Yes, any one of the years. AIDS discovered in America, 1981. In India, 1984. Okay, likewise, so many years is there. So many years also. Okay, that things is good, note it down. And days, already I told you so many times. Days, expandable. Indian Rice Research Institute, where is it? Indian Agriculture Research Institute, where is it? Indian Rice Research Institute in Philippines. Okay, my dear, Philippines. Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Delhi. Okay, M.S. Swaminathan. Okay, likewise, these are all our additional information. So which one is the correct option? Family planning. When it is, just listen here, my dear. When it happens, which one? The first 5-year plan. Note it down. First 5-year plan. We started 1951 to 56. That time what had family plan. So the option is second one. What is the insulted? What is this part? See that 55 also given, but it's not the starting sponsored. Okay, don't forget. Government sponsored family planning program started in 1951, not 55. This is the confusing part. Okay. Others are it not like that. Go to the next one. 51 is the correct option. Okay. In the given statement, choose the correct statements. Menstruation only occur if the released ovum is not fertilized. Okay. Correct statement they asked, isn't it? Correct statement. Correct. Isn't it? So which one is the correct statement, my dear students? Menstruation only occurs if the released ovum is not fertilized. It's the correct one because egg is there. It is waiting for the sperm, isn't it? Okay. When it is sperm released, automatically it is joined with the which one you know? The egg as a result of formation of zygotes. Suppose if the sperm is not coming and not united, fusion means what can automatically be eliminated in the form of which one you know? Menstruations. So this one is correct one. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. Yes, it is also directly. Okay. During pregnancy, all events of the menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation. Yes, it is also correct. Cyclic menstruation is an indicator of normal reproductive phase and extended between the menarche and menopause. It is also correct. So A, B, C, and D is also correct. Here the statement is correct only they asked. So the option is correct only. Once again, menstruation only occur if the release of ovum is not fertilized. Yes, correct only this one. Okay, lack of menstruation may be indicative pregnancy. Okay, suppose fission of sperm and egg, what happened? No, zygote formation. So the menstruation is not possible. So it is also correct one. During pregnancy, all events of the menstrual cycle stop. Yes, correct only. Normal reproductive phase and also menopause and menopause. This is also very good. So this is the last one. So the option is the last one is the correct one. Okay, go to the next one. If the inside the membrane become more negative, it's lead to where they asked inside the membrane, repolarization, depolarization, hyperpolarization, polarization, nerve system. Okay, nerve system. Just listen here. The question is comes from where you know negative. But see the options: depolarization, repolarization, hyperpolarization, polarization. Okay. If the inside the membrane become more negative, inside means this side. This is outside. This is inside. Okay. Here the negative ions are high means what happened, you know. Here the positive ion is less. Less. Here the high means what is that? That is hyperpolarization. That condition is called as hyperpolarization. Not depolarization. Depolarization means removal. Repolarization, regain. Hyperpolarization, one side is minus, it's higher. Okay. Opposite side, inner membrane. This one is inner membrane, this one is called outer membrane. Okay. So that is called hyperpolarization. Polarization just start. Normal. Otherwise called resting stage. Okay. This is also very, very important. Impulse transformation, impulse from nerves to nerves. Okay, synaptic cleft, neurotransmitter substance, acetylcholine, calcium, receptor substance also present in it. How many second it will be reach the brain? That is also very, very important. How many second? That is also very, very important, my dear students. Don't forget. See the answers? Hyperpolarizations. Okay, media. Go to the next questions. Match the column with 1 and with the column 2. Okay. Cerebral cortex, embryonic neuron, retina of the eye, myelin sheath, all those things they have given. Okay, media. Cerebral cortex. Okay, this is very, very important, my dear students. Cerebral, unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. Note it down, my dear students. This is all are called as, what is that? Unipolar neurons. Neurons only. Sorry. Okay. See here? Nerves. It contains axon and cyton, isn't it? What is my unipolar? Only one. Bipolar. What is that? It may be two, like this. Multipolar, it may be more than. Okay. So, how it will be matched? Which is the correct option? Like that they asked. See the cerebral cortex. Listen here, cerebral cortex. Cerebral means brain, isn't it? What will be the nature of neurons? See the cerebral cortex is the multipolar. Cerebral cortex is the multipolar. Okay, made it. This is the multipolar. So where is the one is C? So here the option. So this one. Okay. The embryonic neuron always unipolar nature, my dear. This is also where we may exceed in this year, may say. 2023, this question must, this part, unipolar, bipolar, multipolar, swan cell already in our body. Present as it is in the, here the swan cell is there. Okay. The myelin sheath. Okay. Myelin sheath, automatically they will do. So this one is correct. What about the third one? Retina of the eye. Retina of the eye is a bipolar. Retina of the eye is the bipolar. Don't forget, my dear student. This is very, very important. Cerebral cortex, brain. How much is there? Multipolar is there. Embryonic neuron is always unipolar. Retina of the eye is a bipolar. And myelin sheath is also swan cell. So the correct option is the third one is the correct option, my dear. Okay. Go to the next one. And select the incorrect statement. Select the incorrect statement is nothing but the wrong statement, my dear. Wrong statement. Incorrect means wrong statement. Okay, my dear. See, the natural selection is heritable variation and by reproduction leave greater number of progeny. Is the correct one. How it will be? Natural selection is heritable variation. Heritable variation, it may be transferred to the one period to another period, isn't it? By the reproduction, leave greater number of progeny. Yes. First time taken example 1950. Imagine. Okay. 30 line is there. 1960. 45 is there. Depends upon their heritable variation. What is the meaning of variation? Variation is nothing but the changes. Not only the lion and also the herbivores. Okay. Reproduction. By reproduction. That's why I told you here the 15% is increased. That is also due to the reproduction. Once upon a time, just leave it for the 10 years or 100 years. What happened? 30 lions also converted to 300 lions due to the reproduction capacity. So this one is the correct answer. By the time of 500 million years ago, invertebrates were formed and were active. Okay, before vertebrate, you know the difference between these two. Before they asked, ago means before, isn't it? So it is also correct only. Active nature. Reptiles lay thick-celled egg. Note it down. Reptile means, what is that? Reptile, what are the reptile is that? Just imagine. Tortoise. Okay. Take an example. Crocodile. Frog. Okay. Lizard. The cell is, what is that? Thick cell is that. Take an example of lizard. Lizard egg. What is that? The cell is very thick in nature. Calcium carbonate. Which do not dry up in the sun, unlike those of amphibians. Yes, it is also correct. During stabilization of natural selection more individual accurate value other than the mean of character value. No, this is the accurate value other than the mean of character value. It is not a correct answer. So this is the wrong statement. Other three are correct. Go to the next one. See this one. Okay, these are the three are correct. The fourth one is the wrong statement. Otherwise, called as incorrect statement. Which of the following parts of nephron play a significant role? I already told you nephron. Which is the functional unit of nephron? Kidney. Okay, kidney. Functional unit. Functional unit of kidney. Okay, nephron. Functional unit of what is that? Organism. Living organism. Cell. Okay, this is kidney. Any other part like this? There are so many things in there. Take an example of bone. Osteoids. Osteoporosis, osteoids. Okay, like this. Here they ask there. See here. Which of the following parts nephron play a significant role in the maintenance of high osmolality medullary intestinal fluids? Yeah, ask the question. Where is the osmolality? Osmolality means the sodium and potassium pumping mechanism, chlorine, that things. Digital convertible, proximal convertible, none of this. Henle loop is there. Here only the changes, isn't it? Henle loop. This one is called as what is it? Descending. Okay, this one is called as ascending. What happened here? Water molecule eliminated. As a result, hypertonic. So this is the osmolality. And in this part, what happened now? Sodium chloride is eliminated. So water molecule is high. This is the maintenance of which one you know? Maintenance of what is that? Osmolality. High osmolality. Medullary intestinal fluids. Particularly Henle loop only the correct options. Okay, major. Don't forget it. And also some of the hormones, epinephrine, norepinephrine, just note it down, my dear. Vasopressin. These are all very, very important for the, what is that? This process. Okay, Henle loop is the correct answer, my dear. Go to the next one. The given below are two statements. Okay, two statements. The correct option is they ask. The correct statement. Which one is the correct statement? They ask the question, my dear students. Here the correct option. Statement one, cartilage or hard and non-palleable. Okay. Listen here, cartilage or hard. No, here the answer is wrong. Okay, bone is there. Which one you know? Hardest part. Okay. Cartilage is a flexible one. So here the absent. This one is the wrong statement automatically. Okay. Next one. See that one. Most of the cartilages in the vertebrate embryos are replaced by the bones. Cartilage already, you know, cartilage is replaced by bone only. So the answer is right only. Yeah. Adult, it is a light and above statement. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Which one is the correct? First one is wrong. Second one is right. Here, the statement one is incorrect. Yes. But the statement is two is correct. So this is the option. So other three are automatically wrong only. Already I told you cartilage. Take an example of nose. Nose, the front portion is also made up of which one? Cartilage is bonus. Cartilage. Take an example of lungs. Lungs, that is what is that? Branchioles. Okay. It is a C-shaped cartilage bone. And third one is what is that? You know, take an example of ear. Okay, the pinna, the outermost layer. This one, this part. Okay, this part. Inside eustachian canal and also so and so. Tympanic membrane and cochlea, okay, steps and those things. Okay, this part is also made up of which one? Cartilage is bone. It can be easily flexible, just like a rubber. Okay, it will not easily broken. Okay, media bone already now will be easily broken because it is very strong only. So this is the correct option. The statement one is correct, incorrect, and but statement two is the correct answer. And eustachian, see the next one is also followed by which one you know? Above question paper. Ear. Eustachian means just take an example. Eustachians. What is the main functions of the eustachian, my dear students? External ear with larynx. External ear with larynx. This is the eustachian. Here, this is the air followed by eustachian tubes like this. Okay, here the tympanic membrane is there, followed by the cochlea. Okay, like this, and stapes and so on. So finally, what comes? This is eardrum. Okay, eustachian tubes. This is the outermost layer is called as pinna. External air. This is not external air. Eustachian tubes. This is called as eustachian tubes. Connected with the external air with larynx. No, this is not a correct answer. Middle air. So the eustachian tube, this is called as middle air. This is internal air. This is outer air. So the option is middle air with pharynx. Don't forget, my dear. So these three mark. Pharynx is this is the outer ear, this is middle ear, this is called as eustachian tube, this is also here. Comes under the heading is known as middle ear is the correct option, my dear. Don't forget, my dear, this is the important questions. See this one. Middle ear with pharynx is the correct one. Go to the next one, my dear. In the figure given here represent three different conditions of sarcomeres. Identify these conditions, select the correct option. Sarcomere is, what is that meaning? Muscles contraction. Note it down, my dear. Muscles contraction. See the bond. Okay. Okay. They asked the A part, which one is there? B part is there. C part is there. This is the relaxation. Automatically you can see it. There is a gap in between, isn't it? This is contraction. No. Okay, which one is the first one is relaxed? Where is the relaxed is there? The option is here only, isn't it? Relax. See that gap. Okay, this is a muscle relaxed. This one is contract. Okay, my dear. So option, just listen here. This is the contraction. This is maximum contraction. Okay, here the question is there, my dear. NEET 2022 definitely will be there. 2022, 23, sorry, 23, 24. Here the muscles contraction, there are two proteins also, myosin. Okay, how many? Octomer. That thing's also very, very important. Just to go through, you will get the ideas. This is what are the zone is also present in it. H zone, I band, A band, jet line. Okay, the I band, I line, M line. Also they ask the M line. Okay, definitely. Just to go through it, definitely it will be get. The first one is A is considered as a relaxed. Where is that? Fourth one, 6. Second one is contracting, contracted. So contracting. Third one is maximum contracted, not contracting. So these two are wrong answer. So 1 and 4, 2 and 4 only the option. So it will not come to the fourth one because the contraction, both are contracted. Contracted, contraction they have. No, it is a maximum contracted. So this is the part. See the distance between these two. This is the relaxation. Okay, relaxed muscles. This is a contraction. This is what is the maximum contraction? Overlap. See that this part overlap. Structure is related. Very, very important. Structure is overlap. See, this is called as what is maximally contracted. This part. So the option is B is the correct option. Go to the next one. See the relaxed, contracted, maximally contracted. And match the column 1 with the column 2 and select the correct option. Select the correct option. From the code given below, cranium, skull, face, hind limb, ribs, these are all related to bone, my dear students. How many bones present in it? Must need 2023. Any one of the question, any one. It is also comes from face. How much is there? 8 bone is there. Already you know about. Ribs, now only we studied. How much is there? 12 or 14. Okay. 12 or 14 is there. See the face is 8 means C is 2. Where is the C is 2? All are 3 only. Sorry. Face is 14 now. Okay. Sorry, listen. So A is 2. So this is the correct option. A is 2. So cranium is 8 1. Sorry, here is not that. A is 2. Skull and facial bone 22. Face contain 22 bone. Yes. That's why the confusion here. The facial bone, face. Okay, my dear. Face. Okay. 14 bone. Hind limb. hind limb 30, ribs 24. Why it is 24, 12 plus 12. This is considered a sternum. Okay, this is considered a sternum, it's center. The bone are connected like this. This is the right side, this is the left side. Okay, like that. It will come, isn't it, my dear? Like that. Here 12 bone, here 12 bone. They added 12, that is a 24. Okay, my dear. So the option is the second one is the correct option. Don't confuse. Okay. Okay. Now identify the diagram given below. See the diagram. This is the male sex organ. Okay. This is called as what is that? Vasectomy or tubectomy. Tubectomy mostly in the female. Okay. So which one is the correct answer? Automatically you know about vasectomy. So the cutting part, okay, which part is there? This part is, don't forget, this is very, very important. See this one, vasectomy is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, go to the next one. Filariasis, automatically you know very well. Filariasis, helminth disease, diagnosed swollen limb is caused by the dash and dash act as a vector disease. Select the option filling the bracket. Filariasis, Wuchereria pancreatica. Direct question, this my dear. Cosmetic organisms. Just to take an example, sir. Okay, microbes. First lesson, so the bacteria, bacteria comes under the headings known as Monera, isn't it, my dear? So don't forget it. Endoamoeba histolytica, dysentery, female eddies, already know about it. This is also one of the diseases, but it's not that. Female culex, suppose take an example, elephantiasis, Wuchereria pancreatica is the correct option. So this is the correct option. Okay, Wuchereria pancreatica, filariasis, Wuchereria pancreatica. Female culex, always female only. All the things is the female. Why? Because female is comes under the headings, female is the disease spreading animals or vector. Why they are called as vector? Because female only they are having the capability to the egg laying capacity. Egg laying capacity. Male it will not possible. That is the reason. So the option is which one is the correct? Wuchereria pancreatica, female culex mosquito. Female eddies, female anaphylaxis. Female anaphylaxis, what is that? Malaria. Okay, major. Female culex, therefore these two it will not come. Okay, this is the correct option. Wuchereria, female culex. See, this is the another important NEET question, my dear. NEET questions. Definitely. Match the following is very, very important. 2023. See, this is the bad. Okay, this is called as kangaroo. This is also another one. This is called as platypus. Just what is by platypus? Just to imagine. Take an examples of egg. Okay, take an examples of egg. Egg laying capacity. Who it has? Which one it has? Maximum bats, isn't it? Bats only. But at the same time, mammals, what happened? Mammary gland present in its mammals, isn't it? Mammary gland present in it. They can give milk. Okay, but the platypus is there, platypus. It has both a character, bad as well as the which one, Okay. So how it will be there? So the second one is the correct option. How it will be there? See, A is 3. See that? A is bats. Okay. Third one, the pteripus. Note it down. Pteripus. Okay. And the option is which one? Third one, Eutheria. So this is the first one. B is 4. B is already known. Fourth one, which one is Marcorpus? Macarpus. Okay. The first one, just imagine Metatheria. Here the question is a Eutheria, Metatheria, Prototheria. These things you must note it out. That's why I told you. Second one is C is there. This part. C is fifth one. C is fifth one. Balanotra. This one. Balanotra. Second one is the correct answer. Eutheria. And the last one is called as what is that? Platypus. Okay. D is Orthorhynchus. Both the character. Ornitho. Sorry, Ortino. Ortiro means ornitho. Ornitho means bad. Bad also. And also other one is also mammal also. Both are character present in it. It is called as what is that? So what is the condition of this one? Fourth one, where is that? Protocardia. So the option is second one is the correct answer, my dear. This is 1 second, practice it, my dear. This is definitely question is that definitely this question also. That's why we are selecting the questions, very important, most important questions. Okay, go to the next one. The secondary metabolic toxin they asked. The secondary metabolic toxin. Which one is the secondary metabolic toxin? This is also a direct question, my dear. This is the direct question. So you must note it down which one is the primary toxin. Primary toxin. Secondary toxin means primary toxin is also there, isn't it, my dear? Can they give and see that aberrin? Yes, aberrin comes. The morphine it will not come. So aberrin comes means automatically come to this one. Codeine and ricin. Okay, ricin come and codeine it will not come. So the option is aberrin and ricin is the possible. So the option is the third one. Okay, this is also what happened. Only practice it. Okay, practice it. Then only it will get idea. Okay, so many questions. Concanavalent. Canaceae. No. Secondary metabolites of toxin is what is that? These things. AR. Secondary metabolic toxin. Okay. Next one. Aberrin and ricin. Ori. Already you know, but simple question, direct question. This might be. Ori. What is the meaning of ori? Origin of replication, origin of transcription, start translation, operon. Operon it will not come. Start of translation. Translation nothing but the protein biosynthesis. Protein biosynthesis. But the operon, what are the gene present in it? Already you know all about it. Okay. Promoter, operator, inducer, isn't it, man? Here the 3 genes donors are here also. Okay. Z5A. What are the hormone secretory? Okay. Peroxidase, permease, beta galactosidase. Note it down. Exactly what hormone is secreted by corresponding gene is also. Gene expression. Just go and check it. Gene expression. This part. Okay. Translation process. Nothing but the protein biosynthesis. The mRNA, tRNA, RNA are essential for the biosynthesis. 64 codon. Who discovered 64 codon? Which one is the starting codon? AUG. Okay. And also which one is the stop codon? That is 3 codon is stop codon. UUU, UCA, UCG, like that. Origin of transcription. Transcription is not that. Transcription is what is that there? DNA to RNA. Okay, RNA. Okay, that is called as transcription. Here the origin of replication is simply called as ORI gene. First 3 letters. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. ORI of replication. Choose the incorrect statement. Choose the incorrect means wrong statement. Just imagine. This is also an important question. Incorrect. That is called as wrong statement. Okay. See this one. The sight, smell, and or the presence of food in the oral cavity can stimulate the secretion of saliva. Yes. When you are eating, okay, your mouth parts. What happened? Suppose food inside is there? No. Just take a small amount of sugar and place it in your mouth. What happened? Automatic saliva secretion takes place, isn't it? So this is the correct one. The activity of gastrointestinal tract are under the neural and hormonal control for proper coordination is different part. Yes. Gastrointestinal tract means what is the stomach? Okay. What is that? Stomach. Okay. This is stomach. And then above esophagus, stomach, and followed by small intestine and also large intestine. Large intestine, it has a 3 layer is there. Okay. This ascending, descending, and linear. Okay. And the end of this, what one? There is a small finger-like projection. It's called as appendix. These are all are controlled by gastrointestinal tract or under neural and hormone. Yes, essential. Hormone is also there. So this one is also correct. Gastric and intestinal secretion are also stimulated by the neural signal. Yes, definitely. Food is enter. Carbohydrate is there. Automatically carboxypeptidase. Okay. And protein is present inside. Suppose when you are drinking the milk contains protein molecule. Automatic renin. Prorenin is converted to renin with the help of the action of the HCl. All those things is noted down. Renin is the digestion of protein milk, digestion of the protein milk. Milk protein, sorry, milk protein or milk protein. Milk protein is the correct option. Okay. So it is also correct. So automatically, which one is the wrong, incorrect statement, wrong statement? Hormonal control of the secretion digestive juice is carried out by the local hormone produced by hypothalamus. No, pituitary hormone. No, it is not a related one. So this is the wrong statement. Other three are right statement. Read the question, then only you will get the idea, my dears. So once, that's why we are giving, okay, you have to practice it. 10 question, full question I am telling. Okay. Full question you have to practice it. That is very, very much. Each and every time, if you get the short duration you are having. Morning, just listen here. Maximum 5:30 you have to wake up. Okay. Half an hour, your work, whatever it may be. And 6 to 7 o'clock, you must study physics or chemistry. After interval, okay, take a lunch and then attend any one of the questions. 9 o'clock, you have to finish it. Time duration is also very, very important. Maintenance time duration, okay, or 11:30 or some other 10 or 11:30, 1 hour or 1.5 hours. That will be enough for your question. Then lunch. After that, some rest. 4 to 5 you start again on test, or night 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock after your dinner. Okay, this is the practice. Last 10 days only is there, my dear student. 10 days, not only 10 days. Here 3 days only, and then that side, what is that? 5 days only. So only 8 days only is there. And the last question of this session, my dear students, take a glance of the part, the life cycle of Plasmodium given below as a event. Plasmodium means malaria. Okay, it is called as protozoa. Okay, my dear. A, B, C, and D along with the description. Okay, which one is the correct option here? See here, this part. Okay, the parasite reproduces asexually in the red blood cells, bursting the red blood cell and causing cycle of fever. No, when the red blood cells, what is a burst? What happened? You know, what happened? It will produce the bilirubin, yellow colored compound. Okay, yellow color, that is related to jaundice. Here they ask the question, see that which one is the correctly matched. Okay, which one is the correctly matched? Okay, so 2 only the answer. How it will be coming? Okay, see that one. Sexual stage of gametocytes develop in RBC in mosquito. Fertilization and development take place in the stomach of human being. It is not coming. See, it will not come, isn't it? And then mature infective stage of sporocyte escape from the gut and migrate to the mosquito salivary gland. It's a correct one. Sexual stage of gametocytes develop in RBC in the mosquito. No. The first one and last one is the correct one. So the option is 2 only the correct options, my dear. Okay. So that's all about the class, my dear. Once again, I repeat for you. Please practice it. Please practice it diagrammatically. You have to plan it, my dear student. Last 10 days. Okay. Last 10 days is a. Here you will not study a new one. Okay. Practice question paper, and previous question paper. You must download 5 questions from the last 5, 2018 onwards or 2022 up to. How many questions you just to practice it per day, again and again and again. You practice it. You will get the question where it comes, which subject is there, what is the critical type of thinking is there, diagrammatical question, which one they asked. Okay, that things you must not know. Okay, and then practice it. Hard part of the question, mathematical question, mathematical oriented question is also there. That things also you have to study. Mathematics, maths related question in biology also having. Okay, for example, I will give you one question. Each hemoglobin molecules carry out, 5 ml of the, what is that? 5 ml of the oxygen molecules means, okay, we are having the blood, how much liter? 6 liter of blood is there, or 6.4, sorry, 5.5 to 6 liter, exactly 5.5 to 6 liter. You have to calculate 6 liter. 5 ml of oxygen per 100 ml means you calculate it. How it be? 100 ml is also called as 5 ml, isn't it? 6 liter you must convert into 6,000 because 1 liter it contains 1,000 liter, 1,000 ml. 1 liter that is equal to 1,000 ml, isn't it? 6 liter that is equal to 6,000 ml. So multiply here, 6,000 is substitute here. Strike out. So you have to calculate it. 5 into 60, how much is that? So 6 liter of what is that? Blood, it carries how much amount of?
40.
What is it? 30 or 300?
300, sir. 6 into 5
Yeah,
into
yeah.
6 is 40.
Yeah. That's why I'm asking. Okay. But one more is there. That is also very, very important. For example, 5 ml of oxygen is carried out by the lungs, and also what happened now? It issues. How much is that now? 4 ml of oxygen will be, what is that? Transfer to the tissues. 1 ml again get it back. That thing is also very, very important. This point is also very, very important. At the same time, carbon dioxide capacity, how much is that? 4 ml. Means you calculate it like that. Okay, these are all mathematical related questions, my dear students. Okay. So many questions, maximum 5 to 10 questions, my dear. 5 to 10 questions, max related questions they may ask. Okay, don't forget, please practice it, my dear student. You are having lost 10 days only. You are near the goal. Don't forget, you are near the goal. Okay, that's why I'm telling, please hard work. Last 10 days only. You have to practice it up to at least 6 hours per day. 6 hours per day. Okay. You can split the hours. Morning 2 hours, afternoon hours, study 2 hours. Study hours we maybe increase. 6 hours studies. 4 hours, what is that? Test. Morning 2 hours, evening 2 hours. In between 6 hours, you have to study. You are going to reach your goal. Okay, only 10 days. Only 10 days. Your fact is decide whether success or not success. Thank you so much for the participation, my dear students. We will see the next question in section 6th, okay, on Monday. Okay, my dear. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.